Hi all, welcome to my channel. I'm Mark, this is Mark's Mods. And today guys, we've got another build for Paul. Yes, we are going to be doing the next 6 stages 6, 7 and 8 of Build the Shelby Mustang. Now, not much going on in these, so they're kind of slowing it down now, which is kind of about right for part works where the first sort of 6 stages or 5 stages are quite long, and then they'll really start to slow things down. But we will get the odd one in there, which basically means we have a lot to do. Just happens, it's the law on part works, unfortunately. It just seems to be like that. But not bad today what we're working on. I think we're finishing off one of the seats, and we are also working on a bit of door trim as well. So going to be an interesting mixed bag of things today. And yeah, this thing is huge though. I've got to admit, this thing is massive, and I'm looking forward to working on it. Anyway, let's get started today. So with all that said, let's get modelling. Okay guys, here we go. So stage 6, here is the magazine, and here is the contents of the magazine. This is what we're going to be working today. We're going to be working on the left front seat base. Okay, so here's the rest of the instructions and then the rest of the magazine. There we go guys. Okay, so let's get on with this. Right, so left front seat base. Let's go to the build camera. It's always the better view when you're in a close-up. So the first two things we need is this piece here and this piece here. And we're just going to slot this framework into here, making sure it kind of lines up with everything. Just making sure it does. Okay, I think that's on. And if it's not, I'm in trouble. No, I'm only joking. Not in trouble, but it should all line up. Okay, so that's about as far as down as that's going to go. The next piece we need are these two pieces here. Now, it wants us to start with this one, which has got an L on it. And now this piece is just going to go onto here, into the slots, just like that. The same with this one, which is the right one. Line up the holes. Okay, so that is in place. Next thing we need is we need this cushion here. Now this is just going to slot into here like that. It's giving it a nice cushion base there. Okay. And then the final thing that we need is this part here. I believe this is the part we need. Because we don't screw anything into this at all. So I believe we're correct. Let's just see. No, I think we actually need the not this piece. No, we don't need that, because when this bit is done on here, this bit is done. We need this piece here. Right, let's get it right. Now this is going to line up with the holes in here, and we're just going to sort of push this together. Okay, so that's just a nice push fit connection. Okay, that's great. Got a bit confused then, but there we go. So that is all just to do in this stage. So we've got this now, and we've also got this bit here. Okay, so that is stage 6 complete. Okay, so we move on to stage 7. So again, here we go with the magazine. Now, so we're working on the left front seat base support today. So a few parts, a few screws to go into this one. And then there is the rest of the magazine. Okay, so what it wants us to do first is we forget these two parts here. And what it wants us to do is it wants us to sort of combine this together. So this could be easier said than done. I'm hoping not. So it says if I lay that down there, then we bring this up. Right, so sort of one fits in there, and then there's one a bit higher up, I think. But that is extremely... Right, I think that's correct. I'm sure we'll find out. Okay, so that is in. Then it's asking us to put that padding in, which is fine. We'll put that in there. That's now in, as you can see. Then it wants us to put this over it. This is going to be a bit fiddly do there, because mounted, trying to sort of keep it connected to the backrest of the seat. I think that's got it. I hope, anyway. Right, that's it. Okay. Then it wants us to screw that in with 4 PS14 screws. I'm not convinced that one of these sides is in, but I think that's definitely in there. Well, I'm not convinced one of these sides is. I don't know if the seat is supposed to move like that. It's a bit... Right, let's just take this off and fathom it out. Right, one side is okay, and the other side is okay, so it should be okay. So maybe I'm just worrying over nothing. It looks correct, so we will see. Right, might help when we get some screws in it. So I think we'll do the back ones first. Let's get one in here. And that's lined up pretty nice, so I'm not moaning at that one. Right, that sounds like it's just clicked together. So we'll do that one next. I am going to say it is extremely warm today. Oh, man. I love the summer, but when it's like this, in the UK, we're just not designed for weather like this at all. Okay, last screw to go on. Okay, so that is in place. So that must be how it works. Okay, so with that done, it wants this piece next. Now this piece is just going to fit onto the bottom here. push fit connection, and then this piece here is going to fit on underneath. And I'm just making sure. So we've got a long end here and short end here. The short end is going to go down here. Yeah, that's correct. It should be sticking out a little bit there. And that's all there is to do in this stage. Wow. Okay, we are certainly getting through it. So I think that is a complete seat. Looking fantastic. Okay. So that is stage 7 complete. Okay, so let's go on to stage 8. This is the last stage in this pack. Okay, so we have more here, more pictures and information, and this is what we're going to be doing today. We're going to be working on the left door interior panel. There we have more racing cars, of course. Okay, and there we go, that's the rest of the magazines. Okay, so let's go to the build camera. Trying to remember to keep going to this. Right, we need this. This is our door card. This is huge. Wow, this is absolutely humongous. Right, so we need to get this piece first of all. Now this is just going to sit some sort of like trim just in there. Then if we flip this over, it wants us to screw this in, and that is with the PS12 screws. Now these screws are very small, so I am not even going to try my 1. I'm just going to go straight to a 0, but I'm thinking a 0 might be too big, so we'll see. Oh no, that seems okay actually. Okay, so they're going in with a 0. They're never going with a PH1 at all. Okay, that's another one in. Okay, and the final screw to go in. Just the trim kind of just popped out. Been lucky with all of them actually that they've all caught straight away, but if we're just going to have one that I need to sort out, I'm calling that a bonus. Right, okay, next we need is this piece here, and we need the door handle here. Now what this is going to do is this is just going to sit into there like so, and then we need a PS11 screw, and we're going to secure this in. Now this screw's got like what I call a flange head or a washer head on it, as you can see. Now the hardest part in these can be literally holding them in place as you screw them in, because they don't want to. Okay, so that is in place. Brilliant. Okay, then we need to bring the door card back across, and then this orientation, it wants us to fit this in. So this is going to go in. Just make sure I get this correct. Hang on. Right, so this is going to go in like that. Can't be right, can it? Well, it looks like it's correct. No, that's not correct. I reckon it's going to go in like that. There we go. That's how it's going to go in. Okay, Okay, and then we're securing that down with some PS05 screws. Okay, and then that's what it should look like at the other side with that handle in place. The magazines here just keep sticking to me because it's that hot and sweaty and humid in here. Oh, it's not a great building in the heat, but as Paul's come in now, I just want to get them built, which keeps on top of them. Well, nicely done, nice and nicely done. So that is what we should be looking like at the end of the stage. We've got the seat here also that we've been working on. Looking brilliant. Okay, so that is, still doesn't look right to me. Anyway, that is stage, well, stages 6, 7 and 8 complete. Well guys, there you go, another 3 stages done for the Shelby Mustang. Looking very nice, I've got to say. Now, I could get another delivery today of Paul's, I have no clue. They seem to be coming every day at the moment. So whether I get another one done this week, I have no clue whatsoever, because like I said, they keep coming every day. You think that InPost would go, you know what, them there, let's not deliver them every day, because that's just wasting the driver's time. Let's just deliver them all in one. Yeah, don't work like that. Don't work like that in this world, unfortunately. But when you're dealing with courier firms, yeah, that's what you get, especially in the UK. Anyway, guys, if you like this video, please give it a massive thumbs up. If you haven't already subscribed, please remember to subscribe and hit the notification bell, and you'll be notified of any future videos. But as for always, stay safe and bye for now.